Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Substance 3D for motion backgrounds in Premiere, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have the latest version of Adobe Substance 3D and Adobe Premiere installed on your computer. Open the Substance 3D application. Create a new project by selecting the appropriate template for motion backgrounds. Begin by designing your background using the various texturing tools available. Explore the material library to choose pre-made textures if needed. Adjust lighting settings to create the desired mood for your background. Once satisfied with your design, export the background as a suitable file format, such as PNG or EXR. Now, launch Adobe Premiere. Create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add the motion backgrounds. Import your exported motion background file into the Premiere project panel. Drag the imported background onto the timeline. Position the background layer appropriately in your composition. To create a more dynamic feel, consider applying effects from the Premiere Effects panel. Use keyframes to animate certain properties, such as scale or position, if desired. Preview the motion background to ensure it meets your expectations. Make any necessary adjustments to the timing or effects applied. Once satisfied with the results, save your project. You are now ready to render your video with the newly added motion background. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.